Alright, at the rear this is the dual channel ABS, and yeah, over here is also the ABS, which cannot see right now. And it has an adjustable lever for the front brakes. And what else I can show you? It has a grip which also says Benelli. It's written out here, and nicely built up the switch. And yeah, it has a fuel capacity of 12 or 13 liters. And it has a LED, not LED bulb, it's a bulb, not LED. It has a bulb over here. It has a bulb in the indications also. And yeah, pretty nice bike. And let's see the stock exhaust. Let's on. Let's hear it. So this is a stock exhaust out there in the city. Yeah, it's an so it sounds good, well, and out in city. Let's close this.